Hi, welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome. My name's Simone. Today we're excited because we're going to do a review of these oat milk chocolates. So this is...
Hi, my name's Neva.
And what have you got?
I've got this creamy one which I like.
You've already tried it before, haven't you? Because we've done another video. We haven't edited it yet for Caleb's channel, but we hope to do that soon. And what's your name and what have you got?
Caleb, and I've got the pretzel.
And then we've got the cookies no cream, and we've got a salty caramel. So we got these in like a special pack when they first started selling these a while back. I've just not had the time to be able to film it. Little Mike and my other son's not here with us, so it's just the three of us, isn't it? Yep. So should we open this one first then, the pretzel, salty pretzel?
Yep.
So yeah, this chocolate, it's made out of oat milk. If you've been to my channel before, you'll know that I'm crazy about oat milk. We've got other reviews where we've tried vegan chocolate, which I'll put above.
You can see at the back, here's all the salt, is it? Like all the
There'll be all that old pretzels in there.
Creamy chocolate factory, chocolate bar, big chocolate bar.
Ethically and sustainably sourced ingredients. We use less sugar, more cocoa. Thank you. And outer cardboard recyclable, inner film, home compostable. That's good, isn't it? Vegan friendly. So
This is good.
you can't.
It's like there's loads of sugar in, but there's not. Tastes like pretzel.
Can you taste the pretzel? It's got saltiness to it. I'll try a bit more. It's got a saltiness to it. I thought that it would be more creamy. I think, you know, because oat milk's quite creamy. This chocolate, to me, it tastes very similar to the Galaxy vegan chocolate, if you've tried that before. What do you think?
Yeah, I think.
Do you think it does as well? Which one should we open next?
This one.
Caramel.
Right, okay.
Open it, Caleb.
Was this your favourite, when you did it?
Yeah, this one's the favourite.
I like this one, and that. This one.
All of
No,
them.
that's salty
It's
one.
Not the salty one.
It's easy to open it. It's just, you don't need to like fidget around with it. You just smoothly open it like it's just some tape or some tape was on it. So
So cute, Ava.
but this one doesn't have any. This one's a caramel one, so there's
It's
no.
smooth.
It's smooth, yeah.
Yep.
To
It's
caramel.
the same when I rip the other one up. It's the same when I rip taste.
That is very nice.
Perfect.
That is really, really good.
Yeah, that's why this one's my favourite, because it tastes exactly like caramel.
It's not
it's
super
the same.
salty, but you can taste that caramel, can't you? That is really nice.
Next is cookies no cream.
I think that's my favourite one so far. Do you want to open that in, Neighbour?
Yeah.
I really like the boxes. They're really nice, aren't they?
Nice cardboard boxes, reusable.
70 grams you get. I know with most dark chocolates that you get
Open it.
like 100 grams of chocolate. Did you know that the person that owns this is, I think it's the great-great-grandson of Cadbury's?
Whoa, that is something.
So this one is cookies no cream.
Yeah.
This one's got like pieces in it, like crunchy pieces.
It actually does kind of taste like it.
How come it's called cookies no cream?
Because there's no cream in it.
This has got wheat flour in because of the biscuit, so this one's not gluten free. I don't know if any of them are gluten free.
That one's nice.
So yeah, that one's nice. I think that's nice, but it's not my favourite. So little Mike has just woken up from his nap. So this is the last one. Hi Micah.
Here you go, Micah. Some caramel.
Have you just woken up after a nap?
Here you go.
You had a little nap? What do you think, Micah? Okay, thank you.
Here you go, Caleb.
So which one's this, Neighbour? Is this a creamy and smoothie? Smooth one, sorry. That is very creamy and smooth.
This is going to be the plain one.
That is very nice. very smooth, milky. I like that. I would say that is better than the vegan Galaxy. I would say, yeah. I like that one. I'd say my favourite is the salted caramel, followed by the smooth one, and then the pretzels, and then the no cookies and cream. Which one's your guys? Which one is your favourite?
Caramel.
This one. You make that.
You like that one?
Yeah, I like all three of these.
The pretzel one is nice.
I like this one.
And the smooth one too.
I like this one.
I think you like them all, don't you?
This one. But not the salty one.
You're not the salty one, okay. So would you recommend them?
Yeah, this one's a favourite out of all.
Do you think other kids would like them?
Yeah, they would definitely like these.
Yeah.
No.
No, would they not? Do you like them? You like chocolate, don't you? Oh, have you got a bad cough?
No.
Yeah, you like chocolate, don't you? So, yeah, so we really hope that you like this review. Like I said, if you want to check out our other reviews of other chocolate bars, and we've got other vegan items that we've tried and things like that, then I will leave the link above. So, we hope you like this video.
Subscribe below. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Well, cookies, no cream.